What's going on, guys? Back to the video. Today we're here at Dbest and it's pretty late at night. We're gonna be trying the Dbest main pond. So we actually came here yesterday and it was a Sunday night yesterday, so it was super crowded and we didn't have much luck because it was just way too crowded. But today we're back. It's Monday. Yesterday was Saturday night. Today was a Sunday night, so there'll be a lot less people. So we have some fish and maybe live prawns. So we'll just be trying out the pond, and I have pretty high hopes for today. Hopefully we'll catch some big fish. So tight line. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're trying some kambong because it worked very well for the people who were here yesterday. Okay, this is a very nice piece of fillet. So, okay, I've got my piece. So, I think we hook it once too and hook it twice. And we should be good to go. I'm just gonna leave it here. And probably there'll be a fish soon. Saw your float die. But I want to hear the bell. Oh my god, got fish! Hey, Louis has a fish! Fish! Hey, Louis has a fish! Oh my god, 踩到你这了，踩到你这。Louis has a fish on? Oh my god, I saw the... Oh, hey, I get a...
Oh, damn, this is a big fish.
I already have the net, but I don't want the extras. Oh my god, let it fight. Oh my god, it's good size eh. I get a net. Right, net? Net ah? Bruh. Yes, fishes are they quite fast. I saw this fish, like I saw the float go down. And then the bell just started ringing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fish on. Oh my god, that was a big take. If you guys are wondering, oh my god. If you guys are wondering, today we're using the Kaduko Wave Ultralight Rod. Oh my god, another mangrove jacker. Hey, let's get the net. Oh my god. Yes, another mangrove jack. Wow, that was really fast. Okay guys, nice mangrove jack. Okay, my first fish. Nice. Oh my. Fish on, my rod. Oh my god. Yes, fish on. Oh my god. Guys, I think it's a mangrove jack. Okay, let's try to get it up. Since we crossed line with Lewis. Okay, there's no net here, so... Yes, nice. Lewis just went to the toilet and missed everything. Lewis be hoping that his rod got fish, but no, it's my rod. The beat is... don't care. Already? Okay, guys, new mangrove jack. We just cast it to the Kalam spot. Right now we cannot see the float anymore. Probably a fish took it. But oh yeah, the line is straining. Take off the bell. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, fish on. Fish on. Guys, this looks like a big fish. What do you think it is? Huh? Broke off?
Yeah, it's still into the structure.
Oh, bro. Hey, fish on my broken rod. Wow, nice. Tilapia on the rod that I just put in the water. Tilapias.
Try and move it.
It's big, eh? Cannot. It's too big.
Hey, clean inside. I also can use it.
This one's fat. Bruh. Oh, bruh. Nice tilapia.
Is it better hook?
That's not the hook I gave. That's the hook I gave you. Oh, bruh. Oh, yeah. Got. He is big, eh? It's just the drag is 0. This net. Lots of mangrove jacks today. Nice. Oh. That's a good size also. Let's try to get the hook out. Oh my god, this fish is fat. Okay. Okay. You catch. Oh, bruh.
You want to give my mom for the last?
Oh,
This.
fish on. Bruh.
Let me try.
But I think it's a grouper. Oh, bruh, it's the cow. The damn cow.
Please help. Let me just try.
Okay, fine. But if you lose it, right, I take your fish. Okay. Hey, be careful with the motor. Oh my god. That's a big boy. Hey, be careful with the motor. The motor. Oh, bro. Cross line? Hey, you just... Oh, it's cross line now.
Faster.
Nice. Oh, it's a good size Oh my god, that's a huge MJ, bro. Hey, this is a huge, eh?
Can I keep this?
Yeah.
See, it lives. Just don't cause the unnecessary trauma, can already. Why the tilapia?
Wait for me. Okay guys, we are back from the trip. It was pretty successful for me. I caught a couple big mangrove jacks and a lot of tilapia. But Lewis, he only caught one mangrove jack and lost another big one. So it might not be the most successful for everybody. Overall, I think it would have been a very nice trip, but we just weren't prepared to stay the whole night. We kept like getting urges to come back because we just weren't prepared to stay there the whole night. So I think next time if we go there, we should try our best to stay there the whole night and be like prepared for it and catch more fish, I guess. So I'll see you in the next video. So 彩啦。